Okay, I got a W70 drone in front of me here by Attop, and I have not flown this thing yet. What I want to do is take it outside, test it out, run it through the ropes, and then we'll sit around and talk about it and show you the detailed specs on it and that. But I want to determine how good it is before I actually talk about this thing. I don't know too much about it other than 4K and a GPS, 30 minutes of battery life. I got the battery charged up. It comes with two different batteries, app control. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use my Sony Action Cam. We're going to take it outside, try to find a spot we can fly around with it and see how well it does, and then we'll come back in and talk about it. Well, actually, I might put on a video connecting this thing. So there's a little bit to it, not a lot. Battery in. It says push the battery and hold it for 2 seconds. Then turn the controller on, which I did. Controller's paired to it. Connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi network created by the drone, W70. Okay, I'm connected without internet to the drone. Now my guess we go to the app, and we'll cover that later. Everything looks good, signal's good. Actually, this is searching for a GPS signal right now. I don't know if I'll get it in the house or not. We'll see what happens. Got a metal roof. If that does not connect in the house, we'll go outside and hook it up. Phone goes inside the controller right here. Pull that down. I'll shut the camera off for a moment and let's see if this hooks up. Alright, got so much snow out, we're gonna have to find a level spot on the road away from some trees. I think this is going to do here. Couldn't get that GPS signal to go in the house. We don't have much traffic coming. Hate for a car to run this over. We got about a 8-mile-an-hour wind too to contend with. I'm going to get the phone hooked right into this right away this time. Guess I didn't have to pull a four-wheeler so far back. Do believe I'm paired. Probably not going to see my screen too well. Well, I got to connect it yet. Ready to fly. GPS signal collected. Please unlock the drone and take off. How do you unlock the drone? Alright. How do you unlock the drone? Saying I gotta do a compass calibration. Push the left stick, top right corner, right stick, top left corner. Left stick, top right corner. Okay, it's telling me what to do. So I gotta pick the drone up. It says, please rotate the drone horizontally twice. Okay, hold it vertically and rotate it twice. Calibration, please. Now we gotta find out how to unlock this drone. Here's the maiden voyage. I'm in the novice mode. Figure later I'll put some videos up. We're gonna hit fly home. It's trying. I didn't want it to land in the snow. That worked pretty good. I'm at 171 feet in the air. Hi.
For sale or something, or what's going on?
What?
Is this going to be for sale, or what's going on?
No, I'm just testing out a drone for a YouTube video.
I see. Oh,
It's flying. Yeah, I'd never flown it before. I didn't want to fly it around trees.
Yeah.
Good thinking.
Huh?
Good thinking.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah. Low battery. Okay, that battery went dead after about 25 minutes, went low, but it's only about 30 degrees out here. Okay, I had probably already showed you the footage, but I got all done playing with this thing. Pretty nice machine. One, the color seems a little bit off, but you can adjust it through the app, which I'll show you. Didn't seem too bad. Of course, this does not have a gimbal underneath it. It's just a 4K camera, which you can adjust. Lights on the bottom. I didn't run it at nighttime. Biggest gripe I have with it is the SD card goes in here. It's very hard to get in. You got to use a little screwdriver to get it in and out. Battery life pretty good considering I was running in the mid-20s for temperature outside, and it held up probably about 25 minutes per battery. Shakiness, you're not going to get away from it unless you got a gimbal. It disconnected once on me. I had absolutely no cell reception where I was for the most part, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on, and then I want to show you the app. First things though, I'm going to set this to the side. When I originally got it, the charger would not charge. And go ahead and feel safe when you do buy this. Company, Attop, they sent me a whole new complete unit. And customer service is just excellent with it. So now I have two spare batteries, actually probably a spare drone. If I don't ever get that charger to work, I'm going to take it apart. But no worries there. Through Attop, excellent customer service. That you can't beat. Now what we're going to do is turn it on, and I will show you the app to it. Overall, pretty good little drone. Okay, here's the app. It's searching for a GPS signal. But what I was saying with the, I don't know if I could set this camera up. See it there. But you can change your... I've been running with peace. It lightens it up a little, as you can see there, but you got all kinds of stuff like cool, sketch. I never did that, but that would be cool. But it seems to run good there. Here's some settings. I did a surround flight. You can flip the lens 180 degrees, flip it back. Not sure what you'd use that for, but multi-point flight, follow. I did not do that, but you can unlock it. V sign is to take a picture with it there. Surround flight, which I just covered. You can add music, find your drone. Your controls are here, pretty decent. It's got a wealth of controls. Go into settings, change your metric to imperial, calibrate, around radius. You can adjust that when it flies around you. And here's your flight distance, and it will go up to might not be able to do it when the GPS are 393 feet up into the air, 1,640 feet for distance away from you. 400 feet in the air is quite far. I don't want to put that up there. There's one touch for launch, and then home, and dropping it back. It'll show you your signals and stuff like that. It'll also do it on the remote. You have your camera adjustment there, follow me video or picture taking video, and I didn't get into them two, and that's unlocked, and I didn't do that one, but there are plenty of buttons on here to use. The remote battery seems to last forever. There's the lights at nighttime. You got two in the front, blue in the front, and green in the back. Seems quite bright. I might take it out and do a video quick of it at nighttime and then add that in at the end. But overall, kind of impressed with it. Oh, and I almost forgot, you do get a complete set of blades. It comes with screwdriver and your screws. Put that in, and then your instructions, detailed instructions, quick start guide, and it comes with a micro USB. It doesn't charge USB-C. So it is slower charging, but you do get a whole new set of blades. Either I'm going to end the video or I'm going to dub in a night shot. There you go. Till next time.